Hello and welcome. This is Shanna today with Trinity Stamps showing you a new standalone die set from the Bright Side release. A new addition to the Slimline series, the Room Builder die set is the perfect die for your Slimline indoor scene building. Our Room Builder die not only cuts, but it embosses detail into the floor and along the bottom of the wall. The rug can be cut into 3 pieces, or you can run it through your embossing mat just to give it the subtle detail. There is a total of 17 dies. The Slimline die will cut the outside border at 8.5 by 3.5, and then you have the floor and like the wainscoting. There are 2 trim dies to give you a baseboard and another edge die. There's the 3 rug pieces that layer to make a detailed rug. The plants included make 2 different potted plants that you can mix and match. There's 2 different picture frames, a curtain with curtain rod, a window, and then window panes. Quick tip regarding that window frame, you're going to want to not cut them apart when you receive the die set because it will make it a lot easier to line up when you go to make the window frame. So now let's look at it all die cut. You can see the detail in the floor and the wall that the die gives. The 3 rug pieces layer perfectly. Next we're going to look at the window. You're going to die cut it out of the background, which is going to leave you a window opening that you can then layer the frame around. You can actually re-inlay the pieces that the panes cut out and create your own scene or layer something behind them. In this fashion, you can create scenes for all seasons outside your window. Next, we're going to look at the picture frames. The picture frames cut out the frame and you are left with an inlay piece as well that you create your own portraits and scenes in to help complete your indoor scene. A window wouldn't be complete without curtains, and this die creates just that. It gives an embossed texture to it for guiding and shading, or just really cute paper piecing. Also included is a die that cuts the curtain rod for the curtains to hang on. The potted plants are next, creating 2 different pots with 2 variances in leaves to mix and match and create your own potted plants. The Room Builder die set helps us create scenes for any stamp set. You can make summary cards, birthday cards, Christmas cards. They can be A2, they can be Slimline, any size you can imagine. To wrap things up today, I'm going to leave you with some creative team inspiration. Be sure to like and subscribe us here on YouTube for more fabulous inspiration from our video team, and follow us along over on our blog and Instagram and over on our Facebook page as well. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe.